What's up guys, Nick Rapkalis here. Want to make this video for you with Easy Landing Page Pro, show you how to set up your landing pages so you can start running some traffic to it. I'm not going to get into the details about setting up domain and hosting. If you need help with that, I can make another video. But here, you need to do this part before you do anything else. So you come in here and you put your domain. It has to have a HTTP in front of it with a :// This doesn't really matter, just whatever you want to call it. Tester 500. FTP server, just put a FTP dot in front of your domain. And then here is the stuff that you should have got from your hosting account that was in an email. And you just press connect. Once you get this pop-up, you're ready to roll. So with this stuff, it's all about testing and tweaking. You get creative, so I can't really show you exactly what to do. I'm just going to run through a brief rundown and so I can show you exactly how to set it all up. I recommend you put a background picture in it. Obviously it makes it look a little pretty, and whatever looks better probably appeals to more people. But again, we're going to be able to test this stuff so you can make changes and tweaks and stuff like that. So obviously this is probably not stuff I would make, but again, I'm just showing you for illustration. Okay. Button. I want to put something on the button text. Opt-in code. I won't quite do that yet. First of all, here you can put name, email, and that'll just populate in there. I won't do this yet, but I'll come back to it because it's important. So see, there you can put stuff in there. I don't like really anything else besides the thank you page. You definitely need to have a thank you page. And what you want to do here is actually, before you save any of this, you want to come into your click meter dashboard. You want to create a conversion code. This is very important. So you come in here, create new conversion code, and tester 500. Make sure it's HTTP, not HTTPS. So you grab this, copy it, come back to your ELPP, and put in your conversion code. Okay. What you want to do here, well, this is kind of what I recommend. I recommend you make a video. This one is a video. These other ones you can just put pictures in. I'll show you how to do the video because it's a little more detailed. Obviously you can just do that, but it's just kind of like a little welcome, and you have to do this in order to track conversions on your opt-ins. Okay. So I just say welcome, congrats, congrats, and here's where you can either put in your message or your video. So basically what you would do if you have your video uploaded to YouTube, this is just for illustration purposes. Obviously I wouldn't put Arnold Schwarzenegger in my welcome video. But you come into share, you click embed, and then you just copy that iframe code. Then you come back in here, you post that, put your button text, click here. Your redirect would go to whatever your offer is. I'm just gonna put in google.com just to show you here. So you can see that's all set up right. Then you want to make sure and save this. Tester 500, save. Okay, then you come into my pages, tester 500, all ready to rock and roll. Okay, so what we want to do now, first of all, we want to come into our autoresponder service. We have to create a web form. I'm doing get response, so it's all, I would think it's all kind of the same with other ones, but this is the only one I can really show you at. Create a new web form, come in the next step. I would not recommend that you have confirmed opt-ins on, because that's going to drastically decrease the amount of opt-ins that you're going to get. Just do that, and then you want to have a custom thank you page, all right? And what your thank you page is this link. Okay, come back in here, boom. And you want to have, this is a whole new training, but you want to make sure that you have it on the right campaign, whatever email autoresponder campaign you want to have it on. I just have it on my other ones right now. But basically, you're good to go. You get your HTML code, turn that off, Control All, copy, and then you come back to ELPP. Come in here, click this to go edit it, and then you come into opt-in code and you post it right there. Okay, preview, save. Okay, so we're really ready to roll right now. Okay, then what we want to do is come back into ClickMeter, and you want to create a new campaign. Okay, so I'll just put in here tester 500. Guess I'm doing this in French now. I don't know why that's happening. Huh, that was weird. So after you create your campaign, you want to create a tracking link. Okay, and your destination URL will be your actual link. So tester 500. And then you come in here, put your destination. I put a friendly name just so you know what you're doing. And then this is very important. You have to do this. You put in conversion code, and then you click tester 500, whatever one you're using, and then create the link. Boom. It's all set now. You can test it. Okay, so good to go on that. Then what you do is you copy that and you come into track.me. This is the rotator that I use. It's like $9 a month. Pretty good. So what you do is add a tracker. Want to track hits to a link. Tester 500. Put your link in there. Now, obviously, you want to rotate if you have more than one capture page. You have to go through that process to get more capture pages together. But once you have another link, you just add link, and then add link, add link. Okay, and then you put those in, and then each time it comes through, each time someone clicks on your advertisement, it'll go to the first landing page, and then it'll go to the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and then it'll just keep rotating through, and then you'll be able to figure out which one has the best opt-in rate, and then you'll be able to test and tweak from there. Okay, so here's your Track Me account, and this is what you will send to whatever traffic source you're doing. Now I'm going to show you something else that you can do if you advertise kind of like I do. So you would copy that, control copy, and you come into a domain. Now, like I showed you earlier, my domain was imreviewshack.com, and that's the one that I have set up with my hosting. Now, if you make videos and you tell people to go, hey, go to this website, what you have to do is, this is exactly what I do. So I have a website called 10kinthebank.com, and this is basically just my website. I send people to my landing page. So you come in here and make sure that you don't have your hosting on here. You just have GoDaddy's hosting, which is domaincontrol.com. and then you come in here and press forwarding, and then you put your track me link in there, and that's really, then you just save it. Obviously I won't do that now, but you know, that's really it. Then I mean, that, yeah, exactly, that's it. So one else thing I want to show you is that you probably want to make sure that this is working correctly too. Okay, so there's a video going, you got your button right there, and then it takes you to Google like we set up. So that works good. That, if you have it set up right, it'll take you to your offer. So that's really it, guys. I think that covered everything. If it didn't, or you're still confused on something, let me know, and I'll make another video or just let you know how to do it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.